Welcome back to Vehicle Inspector. Prepare to be blown away by this incredible 2025 model. Official computer images have been leaked online, providing an exciting glimpse into the future. Recent spy photos have unveiled important information about this renowned automobile. The 2025 Audi A6 e-tron marks Audi's full transition to electric power in its flagship sedan lineup, replacing the traditional internal combustion engines with fully electric drivetrains. Here's a detailed look at what's new with this model. The 2025 Audi A6 e-tron is Audi's leap into the electric sedan market, joining its growing lineup of e-tron models. This new iteration boasts rear-wheel drive for the first time in A6's history, powered by a single electric motor producing 362 horsepower. For added performance, the dual-motor Quattro version delivers 422 horsepower, and the S6 variant takes it even further with up to 543 horsepower in short bursts. The A6 e-tron's design is a seamless blend of a sedan and a fastback, sporting a sleek, aerodynamic shape. Audi's signature single-frame grille has been reimagined with a more streamlined, closed-off look characteristic of electric vehicles. The vehicle also features new, aerodynamically optimized wheels that enhance both performance and efficiency. Inside, the 2025 A6 e-tron offers cutting-edge technology, including a high-tech dashboard with an intuitive touch interface and expanded voice control features. Audi's Assistant, integrated with AI, offers hands-free control over navigation, music, and other functions. High-end materials and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system with 3D audio create a luxurious and immersive cabin experience, perfect for long drives. Audi estimates that the A6 e-tron will offer an impressive range. The base rear-wheel drive model should deliver around 466 miles on a full charge, while the more powerful dual-motor variants, like the S6, are expected to reach up to 416 miles. These figures place the A6 e-tron among the most efficient electric sedans on the market. In Europe, the A6 e-tron starts around $90,000, but prices are expected to vary by region and trim level. In the US, official pricing is yet to be announced, but the A6 e-tron is likely to be priced similarly to high-end electric sedans, potentially crossing into six figures for the S6 performance variant. The 2025 Audi A6 e-tron is set to hit global markets by late 2024, with orders already starting in some regions. It will compete directly with luxury electric sedans from brands like Tesla and Mercedes, solidifying Audi's position in the premium EV segment. The A6 e-tron is poised to set new standards in performance, technology, and luxury for electric vehicles.